It's ETF Friday, and let's talk junk bond ETFs. They're in the middle of a tug of war between bulls and bears as short interest rises. Here to talk about some unusually high numbers is Eric Balchunas, senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence. So we're talking about the two big junk bond ETFs. We've got HYG and JNK, and one of them has record short interest right now.
Yeah, highly unusual, right? So HYG, from January, it had about 25% of its shares shorted, which is about average. It's creeped up to 50% now, right?
That's more than a creep. That's a jump, right?
That's a jump, right?
Yeah.
Over 6 months, though. It isn't a shocker, right? Rates were going up. They hit 3%. People were betting on some defaults, possibly. But then what happened is rates went back down. They've sort of like been sort of stagnant for a while.
Right.
And HYG's up 1% in July. So it'll be interesting to see how long these shorts can hang on. And there's also a lot of put buying going on. So all in all, I think there's a lot of betting that there is going to be some kind of a credit event in the high yield market. But July has looked pretty good for HYG.
And we have a chart of those shorts. Hopefully we can take a look at it and see what that looks like, that short interest as a percentage of overall shares there of those two. There you go, of those two ETFs. So you see there the climb that we have seen. Let's move on to the CDS ETF. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, some of the people who are shorting HYG probably migrated from the CDX market. That's probably what they were doing to bet against junk bonds in the past. But believe it or not, there's a CDS ETF. People are shocked when they hear this.
That must be hard to manage.
I know. Thank God it doesn't have a lot of money, because I'd be hearing about it all the time. Oh, is this going to be a blow up? But it's basically, ProShares has it's WYDE, and basically you can see there it bets, it goes long CDX, so it inverse HYG essentially. You could use this to make the same trade, but again, it's only 4 million. It just doesn't, nobody really cares, but that is an option for investors.